beginning when I first started this. But basically all I'm doing is cooking some ribs. I'm making some costilla guisa, which is like stew ribs or whatever you want to call it. I use some of this Sazon Ranchero. I use some garlic powder, some adobo, some onion powder. I use some black pepper. I used some Dominican oregano that I had in this bag, but it's finished already. I used a little bit of thyme, and I used 1 packet of Sazon. Then all I did was I had mixed the ribs in here. I seasoned it really well. I put some oil to heat up. I added some sugar, like less than a teaspoon of sugar, just to brown it. And now I'm just browning the ribs. So right now they're just taking the color. And just let it keep browning right there. And now we're about to make our rice. We're gonna make some moro de habichuela. I'm going to be using these beans. And yeah, so we'll be right back. All right, you guys, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to add a little bit of oil. We added a little bit of oil. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna have our heat to medium or medium low, however you want to call it. So now I'm just gonna add my beans. I already took the water out of this. So I just added my beans. I'm gonna put the heat up a little bit more, and I'm going to add my seasonings to the beans. That's just how I do it. Oregano. I don't have the other one, the Dominican oregano. I have this one, so that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna let that cook for a minute. I feel like it needs a little bit more salt, so I'm just gonna add a sopita. So I'm going to add 1 sopita, which is a chicken bouillon. Water soaks up, we stir it, and then we cover it. Now we're going to check on our ribs. So our ribs have been browned. What we're going to do is, where we had seasoned it, we're going to add some water. And we're just going to add it in. We're going to give it a stir. Alright you guys, so as you can see, the rice has absorbed all the water. I already stirred it. Now we're going to lower the heat, so that way it slow cooks. We're going to add some aluminum foil and we're just gonna cover it. So there you go. So basically we just wait for it to slow cook. We put the heat on low. So it's basically just the steam, technically, that's really gonna cook it. And yeah, so we have our ribs going here and our rice going here. So we'll be back in a few. Alright guys, so our rice is technically done, but what I did was I added a piece of red pepper. This, I added just a piece, and I'm gonna cover it up for a little bit longer just to let it absorb the flavor of the pepper. And our ribs, they're pretty much done. I just added a little bit more water just to make sure it's as tender as I like it. I like the ribs to be like peeling off the bone type of thing, so I added more water. I already gave it a taste test and it's pretty good, so I didn't add anything else other than the water, and we're just gonna let that simmer. And when it's done, in a few minutes we'll check it and see what it's like, but it only needs a few more minutes. It's almost done. Alright guys, so our rice is done. This is what it looks like. It tastes pretty good. And yeah, so now I can take this out and it's done. This is what it looks like. Not mushy or anything. And we're just waiting on the ribs. They're over. It smells good and it tastes good, so our ribs, yeah. All right guys, so our ribs are done. And this is what I was talking about. The sauce is nice and thick, so not thick, but it's good. So our food is done. All right, you guys, so our food is done. This is what it looks like. It's the rice with the ribs. If you want, you can eat this with some avocado, with some sweet plantains, with some salad, whatever you want. I was gonna have it with some avocado, but they didn't have any ripe avocados in the supermarket or the store, so we will just be eating it like this. I don't feel like making salad. And yeah, and basically another thing that I like to do, like I said, is I like to add the sauce on top of the rice. It's pretty much what I like to do. The sauce on top. You can do it like that if you want. If you don't want, that's up to you. But I like the rice to be like that, just like that. Not too much because I don't want it to be soupy, but yeah. So got hubby over here eating. He already started though, but he doesn't want to be in the video, so dime cómo sabe.
Está buenísimo.
Está buena.
Bueno.
There you go. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.